Hi Micafam at Myra here for today's video. Alam nyo ba na posible pala tayong makapag-open ng video savings account online? You heard it right guys, tinry ko lang siya and nag-work, and so I'm sharing this video with you. Kaya kung interested ka, please keep on watching. Guys, if you want to open an account with BDO, may dalawang ways po to do that. Una, yung bank visit, yung traditional way, yung pupunta ka sa mismong branch, magdadala ka ng dalawang valid IDs and initial deposit. And yung pangalawang way naman ng pag-open ng account with BDO, yung online account opening po. All you have to do is join a Zoom video call from the safety and comfort of your own home. And yun yung ituturo ko sa inyo sa video na to. But bago yan guys, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo ha, kapag mag-o-open ng account sa mismong branch, ito yung valid IDs na tinatanggap po nila. As you can see, kahit school ID, senior citizen ID, SSS ID, TIN ID, tinatanggap nila guys. However, kung gusto mong mag-apply ng account online, ito na yung valid IDs na tinatanggap po nila. Kaya naman, kung wala ka ni isa sa valid IDs na nasa list na to, I think better kung pupunta ka na lang sa mismong branch and doon ka na lang mag-apply. I think it's as good as saying na online application dito kay BDO is not for everyone. Ngayon kung meron ka at least isang valid ID na nandito sa list, ibig sabihin pwede kang makapag-apply ng account online. Now guys, please take note na when applying for an account online, dalawang accounts lang yung pagpipilian natin guys. Either online savings account or kabayan savings account. Also, single ownership lang guys yung pwede natin i-open. Hindi po pwede dito yung joint accounts. At ito naman ang features ng ating online savings account. Minimum initial deposit po of 2,000 pesos. Minimum MADB requirement or monthly average daily balance of 2,000 pesos. Yung minimum balance to earn interest is 5,000 pesos. And yung gross interest rate per annum is 0.125%. Ngayon guys, mag-open po tayo ng video savings account online, and to do that, sa browser po natin, search natin yung video.com.ph. Either tap natin itong link or punta tayo sa baba, yung digital banking, para madirect tayo dun sa digital banking page ni BDO. Dito sa baba guys, online account opening po. So guys, dito na tayo sa online account application page po ni BDO. As you can see dito, fill up lang daw natin yung online application form, and then pangalawa, select tayo na preferred BDO branch for appointment. Pero sa case na to guys, we will be doing it mainly online lang, and that will be via Zoom call. So later papakita natin yan. But here, apply now lang tayo. And then ito na yung terms and conditions. Answer lang natin itong simple math question guys. I have read, and then I agree lang. Are you an existing BDO customer? Kung mag-open ka ng BDO account for the first time, tap mo yung first option. Kung second option naman, kapag ikaw ay existing BDO customer with online banking account, and kung ikaw ay existing BDO customer pero walang online banking, tap mo yung pangatlong option. Guys, if you have credit card, tapos meron ka ring online banking account, and mag-open ka ng savings account for the first time, select mo lang po yung first option. And then, tap next po. So, andito na tayo sa account opening page. Step 1 will be getting started guys. To get started, current location, definitely Philippines, and yung type of account na i-open natin will be online savings account. Please take note ha, there will be account closure fee kapag ka nag-close yung account mo within 30 days from account opening. Magkakaroon din po ng fee kapag ka yung account mo ay na-fall below the required minimum monthly ADB po for 2 consecutive months. And meron ding tinatawag na account dormancy fee kapag dormant yung account mo and na-fall below the minimum MADB. Dormant yung inyong account kapag 2 years wala pong client-initiated activity yung inyong account. And after 5 years pa naman yung collection ng account dormancy fee. Okay, now dito sa baba guys, show BDO branches near me. We can actually choose online, meaning gagawin natin everything online via Zoom call, pero you can also choose to go to the branch. Ayan, as you can see, tap natin tong online, open account via Zoom call. And dahil online via Zoom call yung pinili natin kanina guys, dito sa appointment schedule, we have to choose booking date, and then pipili din tayo ng time slot kung kailan tayo available to have that video call. So guys, sa part na to, since online yung pinili natin kanina, ang gagawin natin dito guys, pili lang tayo nung branch because that will be our home branch or branch of account po. Tap next, and then andito na tayo sa step 2 which is customer information. And dito of course, kailangan natin complete lahat ng info na kailangan. Alright, just like our name, phone number, email, and then the address, work address, personal info, just like gender, birth date, SSS number, TIN number, and your mother's full maiden name, and then tap next. Now for the step 3 will be regulatory requirements guys. So public service questionnaire, just select yes or no. Okay, sobrang bilis lang nito guys. If you have online gaming business, yes or no for that. Okay, step 4 na tayo. Financial information naman ngayon. Dito na papasok yung primary source of income natin, whether we're employed, pensionado na ba tayo, we receive allowance, unemployed ba tayo, gross monthly income natin, ano ba yung other sources of income natin. Okay, so sa step 5 guys, that will be attachments. First guys, kailangan tayo mag-upload ng first valid photo and signature bearing ID. Magte-take tayo ng photo ng ID, make sure lahat ng edges ay kita and lahat ng info ay kita and clear talaga. Alright? And then sa second valid photo and signature bearing ID, same process lang po nung first one. The third one, kailangan naman natin ng selfie holding a valid photo and signature bearing ID. And then the fourth one, kailangan mo ng photo ng tatlong signatures on a clean white sheet of paper po. And then additional supporting documents guys. For example, kung married ka na, then you can put here your PSA certified marriage certificate po. Alright, andito na tayo sa step 6 which is the digital banking sign up. Sa page na to, kailangan nating mag-nominate ng user ID and ng password. Medyo strict sila sa user ID and password guys, so follow lang natin yung reminders na nandito, okay? And then after nyan guys, we have to answer 2 yung sample questions guys na pwede nating pagpilian para security questions. Then after nyan will be the confirmation page na. So we have to double check information, make sure na lahat ay tama and accurate. And then confirmation of information ay agree lang tayo. And then submit. After nyan guys, makaka-receive po tayo ng 2 emails. First email, sasabihin doon na yung ating online application has been successfully submitted. And since online via video call yung pinili natin guys, then makaka-receive po tayo ng email of our online account opening video call instructions. So basically, doon sasabihin yung schedule natin, yung time, and yung guidelines for our scheduled video call. Kailangan natin i-download yung Zoom na mobile app kasi doon po tayo mag-video call. And then number 2, on our appointment date, prepare po tayo ng 2 valid IDs na in-upload natin dun sa online application. Kailangan din natin mag-prepare ng black ink pen and blank piece of white paper. And then please be ready 5 minutes before your appointment time. Kailangan comfortably dressed ka in a well-lit area and dapat stable yung ating connection. And then number 4, we will be given a link with the passcode. Then tap lang natin yung link. And yung video call po guys will be recorded and will take about 15 to 20 minutes. Ano nga ba yung mga questions na itatanong during the video call? Number 1, syempre itatanong yung financial information mo, yung source of income, paano mo ba gagamitin si BDO, yung valid ID na ginamit natin doon sa online application, hihingiin din yun together with a selfie of us, signature while taking a video. Alright? And then guys, sa case ko, 30 minutes before the appointment time, tinawagan po ako ni account officer and asked for an additional requirement. So guys, once approved na yung inyong application, makaka-receive po tayo ng SMS and an email. Sobrang happy ko na yung ating online application has been approved guys. Ibig sabihin, pwede kang makapag-open ng video savings account kahit hindi mo na kailangang pumunta ng branch, via video call na lang and magsasubmit ka na lang ng info via online. Pero guys, take note ha, na as per experience, it took 3 days bago ako ma-approve sa aking application kasi day 1, tayo ay nag-create ng account online. Second day po yung ating Zoom video call and the third day naka-receive na ako ng SMS and email na approve na nga yung ating application. So kung hindi ka naman nagmamadali guys, then pwede ka na makapag-create ng account online. Pero kung nagmamadali ka, I think it will be better kung mag-open ka na lang ng account sa mismong BDO branch po. And guys, since yung ating BDO online application has been approved, remember to make your initial deposit within the next 7 days. Yung minimum na initial deposit po is 2,000 pesos and you can do that via send money online from another bank or mobile wallet app via InstaPay or PesoNet. Pwede rin naman cashless deposit at any BDO cash deposit machine. And pwede rin naman over-the-counter deposit at any BDO branch. So, pwede nating i-pick up daw yung ating basic debit card. And kung nag-request tayo ng personalized na card, it will be ready at the branch in. And there you have it guys. Tayo po ay nakapag-create ng BDO account online. And so, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Sana nakatulong kahit papano itong video sa inyo. And kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, make sure to subscribe and hit mo na yung notification bell para tuwing meron tayong bagong videos ay updated ka. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Stay safe. Bye for now.